XProtect VMS is a suite of powerful open-platform IP video management software products optimized for companies of all sizes to quickly identify and respond to incidents. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to check the basic configuration of the XProtect VMS management client. We'll check the XProtect VMS management client to see if the automatic device discovery found all cameras. We also want to create a basic user that operators can use as a common login to the Smart Client. The installer added shortcuts to the Smart Client and Management Client on the desktop. Double-click the Management Client icon to open the program. Because this is a single computer installation, the Management Client will automatically log on to localhost, this computer, and suggest the same user account as we used for installation. Click Connect to log in. The automatic device discovery found all 20 cameras. Until you register your cameras, you'll receive this message when you log into the Management Client. We will not register cameras now, but remember to register within the grace period. Click OK to close this dialog box. Let's check that the cameras are added to the default device group. Under the Devices node, click Cameras. In the Devices pane, click the plus sign to expand the default camera group. Perfect! All cameras online. Let's continue with adding a basic user to the system. On the Security node, right-click Basic Users. Click Create Basic User. You can allow access to the VMS for typical Windows user accounts. You can also add basic users to the system if you want user accounts with access to only the VMS. We want to create a basic user account for operators. Here, we enter the username and password. Click OK to save the new basic user. The new basic user now appears in the list. Before we can use it to log into the VMS, we must assign it to a role. The role determines rights and security within the VMS. In this case, we don't want operators to have unrestricted access to the VMS. On the Security node, click Roles. The single computer VMS comes with two predefined roles. An administrator role that allows unrestricted access to the entire VMS, and an operator role with more limited user rights targeted for common surveillance tasks in the Smart Client. Let's use the operator role. In the Roles pane, click Operators. Unlike the administrator's role, you can modify and even delete the operator's role. Of course, you can also create new roles. To add users to a role, click the Users and Groups tab. Here, we can add and remove members of the role. Members can be both basic users, Windows users, and Windows user groups. We want to add the basic user we created before. Click the Add button. Click Basic User. Select the operator's basic user. Click OK to close the dialog box. Our user is now assigned to a role, and the operators can use it to log into the VMS. We will use the account to log into the Smart Client later. We cover that in the Getting Started with the XProtect Smart Client e-learning course. You just saw how to check the basic configuration of the XProtect VMS management client. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.